Now, Susie, we've talked a lot about what eggs taste like and why, of course, most of us keep chickens, but there is another reason, and that is to breed chickens. This is where it all starts.
This is the fun bit for me and a lot of people. It's a lovely thing to be able to do.
And I suppose for many people, a young chick like this is what they will imagine when they think of chickens and eggs.
Absolutely.
Can we get some of these out? Can we have a closer look?
Go.
Hello, fella. Look at you.
Hopefully it's a girl.
Hopefully it's a girl. Now, we should say that in terms of the chicken world, it's not a man's world, is it?
No, it's not.
So you don't want boys?
No, not really.
And what happens to the boy chickens?
Most people can't have cockerels. When you think everything that I hatch, 50% are boys.
Yeah.
We just can't keep them all.
So the cockerel that's making a racket outside
is a lucky boy.
One of the lucky ones, yeah. Now, how long does it take to actually get a chick from an egg?
21 days.
Exactly.
21 days from the moment they start sitting, their mum starts sitting on them, or they go in the incubator.
And is that the same for every single breed?
It is chickens.
That's incredible,
Yeah.
isn't it? Isn't that amazing? And how old are these little fellas now?
These are probably about 2-3 days old.
That's incredible, isn't it?
It is amazing, and it's a lovely process within the egg to watch, because you can, if you candle your eggs regularly, which you should be doing, you can watch the baby develop.
Candle your eggs, what does that mean?
It involves taking your egg, I do it here at a week old, to check that they're fertile, and you will see the little embryo inside with veins coming off, rather like a flower petals. It just shines a light through the egg so that you can see what's going on inside and keep a check on your humidity and things.
So if I had, say, 10 eggs that I hoped were fertilised, how many would be, roughly, out of 10?
When it's early in the breeding season, early in spring, you're probably looking at about 80%. Go up to July time and it would be 100% here.
Really?
That isn't to say they all hatch. Nature has a funny way of doing things.
Yeah.
And if the humidity is wrong, you can have problems within your hatch.
But again, it's all just experience that you've spent years putting together.
Exactly, yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Well, hopefully this little fella's going to go on to a nice, happy life.
Hopefully
As
it's-
a layer.
Yes. Yes.
What are the key points to bear in mind then, for anybody interested in taking it to this next stage?
The first thing truly is make sure you know what you're doing with your boys and that you're capable of doing it. I have a lot of people come here having fertilised eggs, and then I get an influx of please take my cockerels, I don't know what to do with them.
Yeah.
It's not a nice job for me, I don't like doing it.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you're going to take on the responsibility of hatching, you should be able to do the whole scenario.
Be
really.
prepared.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. The biggest thing with these is they need to be warm. Warm, clean, with clean water and clean food. And you shouldn't have too many problems, but you do need to watch them, and you gradually need to higher the heat up. Over a matter of 5 weeks, you should have the heat off of them almost in a room, and then they can go out weather dependent. It can take longer when the weather's against you, because you're not going to put chicks out freezing cold, pouring with rain. It's just not good.
And in terms of feeding?
Chick crumbs,
Yeah.
and when they're probably about 2 weeks, I start chopping grass up for them, just to give them that, you know, one of their 5 a days, get them active. Because if they were with their mums,
Yeah.
they would be out scratching on the grass and picking up other things as well.
Now, you describe this as your favourite part of the process, the breeding. Why?
One, I like spending time with the babies. They're cute, they're fluffy, who couldn't?
Yeah.
But it's also the end result of gorgeous birds at the end of it, knowing you've done a good job.
Do you have any idea how many you've bred over the years?
No. Lots and lots and lots.
Yeah.